A loud and proud day here at M1 Concourse, so we got a lot of amazing legends here.
Detroit metropolitan area has the most enthusiastic car community in the country. I've been coast to coast. Nothing matches, nothing matches.
This is the closest I've ever been to cars of this sort of value and prestige, and that's insane. I don't know where else you get that kind of experience.
I came here for 5-6 hours to come see this. It's amazing. I've never seen cars like this before in my life.
Absolutely. You have to come out. It's one of those things you gotta see.
We love M1!
And for people to open up their personal collections, I just feel cool to be here.
Every year it seems to get better and better. The enthusiasm in this crowd is off the charts.
And this track is just amazing. Super fast. The accommodations here are beautiful.
It's awesome. I mean, there's so many different cars to see. There's food, there's games. It's awesome.
Because it's really a celebration of the history of motorsports.
And there's cars you're never going to see again in your life, so why not spend the money and go see them?
We've had the pleasure of being at Le Mans and other places in the world, and this is right up there with that. It's just exhilarating.
It's the jet car, it's the turbine car, it's this, it's that.
Absolutely amazing to be able to come out here to this pristine track, throw these rocket ships around here, and just have a blast.
So much for being at the American Speed Festival here at M1 Concourse.